Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some shapes. Heart, circle, semicircle, triangle, right triangle. Let's learn some colors. Golden color, rose pink color, red color, lavender color, blue color, golden color. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Rose pink color, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Red color, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Lavender color, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Blue color, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Happy learning. Golden color, heart, rose pink color, circle, red color, semicircle, lavender color, triangle, blue color, right triangle. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Subscribe.